Alright, good evening everybody. This is Matt with MH Motors and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a newest find here from Sam's Club. It is the Ford Mustang Mach 1 in this fantastic yellow color. The Ford performance-oriented option package of the muscle car is what Ford started producing for this Mach 1. It was first introduced in 1968 for the 1969 model year. Available from 1978, returning in 2003, 2004, and then also most recently in 2021. Alright, for the engine, we have a V8 428 cubic inch engine. That is specific to this model we have in front of us, as you can see on the hood, 428. That did come in the past. The Mach 1s also came in a 351 cubic inch and a 390 cubic inch engines, both V8s as well. But this specific 428 had the Cobra Jet and the Ram Air, as you can see there on the hood, and it produced about 335 horsepower, which back then was a lot in 1970. I know it's not a lot these days, but these muscle cars certainly can carry a punch. It also, for the transmission, came with two options, either a 3-speed, or actually three options, sorry, 3-speed automatic, 3-speed manual, and a 4-speed manual. So, gave you a couple options there. Alright, so we are going to get in here and look at a few of the specific options on this model car that I like the best, that I think sets this Maisto on the right path for details. So we're going to start down here on the side. As you can see, it nicely displays the Mustang Mach 1 there in the lower left fender, as well as it is on the back side of the right fender. The wheels are really pretty decent. They don't have too much depth to them in the center spokes. And there's actually, I don't believe, any rotors on this one. They are missing the rotors. But the tire lettering is pretty decent there with painted on, and it does have that active suspension, which we do like to see on these model cars. So moving on to, as I mentioned in the introduction, it does have the 428 motor, and as you can see there, it has Cobra Jet with the Ram Air. That's nice to see. Also, really nice paint detail for that hood stripe. Nice gloss black. Going on to the front, the grill is just a kind of a stamped plastic. It's not a see-through grill. But then the headlights, back then they didn't have much detail to headlights anyways, and I think they did a decent replication of the headlights to this day. Alright, moving on to the back of it. On the back, again, they have nice Mach 1 penciled in there, not pencil but sticker I should say. It's a nice replication of what it is in real life. They also have the 2 exhausts right there. That's great to see. Not too much detail. They don't go too far in. It just kind of the plastic stops there. But what I thought was weird is these two, both the little markers, you know, are, and I believe those are markers. I don't think it's 4 exhausts from my knowledge, but they look very similar to exhaust pipes, making it kind of look like it has 4 exhausts, which I thought was pretty interesting. Maybe they could have differentiated the little markers in the back a little bit better. But the taillights are looking pretty good for this price range, and again, the grill is just a kind of a rough stamped plastic. The opening, one of the openings is the trunk, and it's pretty basic, all plastic in there, not too much to see. And then let's go into the car. As you can see, kinda, hopefully the light can shine. It does show a lot of black. It does have, though, different textures with the seats and the dash, but then it does show the shifter, the shift knob, really well. That is a nice nice chrome shift knob that they have there. And then on the steering wheel, they do have the Mustang logo depicted very nicely with the sticker there. Otherwise, everything else is plastic, and of course with Maistos, we do not get a window. And then one last thing, in the engine, it does show the blue portion of the engine block. That is a nice differentiation there that they did add for this Cobra Jet. So that is a nice extra little detail. Finally, on the bottom, they did show, again, more of the blue engine, which is pretty nice. A lot of engines with Maistos in this level of price range do not show much engine details, I guess I should say, with different colors. But nicely opened, nice exhaust running the entire bottom. They did not just do a plastic bottom, and kind of shows the suspension pieces up front, which again are very, very cool. So there we have it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and quick look over of this 1970 Maisto made Ford Mustang Mach 1. Again, a 1/18 scale by Maisto. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification for future upcoming videos of diecast cars and unboxings. And if you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, because that would be much appreciated. So enjoy the rest of your evening, and we will see you next time.